Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into how you can host your WordPress website for free. Yes, you heard that right, free. Let's get started. First up, you need a free hosting provider. There are several out there, but for this tutorial, we'll use Infinity Free. Infinity Free is the most popular free website hosting service out there. It is fast and has been offering free web hosting for over 12 years. In this free hosting, you can set up any custom domain here too, and the best thing is they will not show any ads on your website. Scroll down to check out other features of Infinity Free hosting. Now let's get started with Infinity Free for hosting a WordPress site. Follow these steps. First, visit the Infinity Free website. https://infinityfree.net/. Click register to create a free account using your email address. Enter your email address and password, then click sign up. You'll receive a verification link in your email. Open your email and click the button in the message to confirm your email address. Once logged in, go to your account section. Here you can see all the already created website accounts, but since we need a new one, click on Create Account. Set up your hosting plan. Here you are required to choose a hosting plan for your website. Since we are hosting our website for free, we will choose the free plan. As you can see, this free plan is forever unlike other hosting, where the free plan is for a specific duration after which you are required to upgrade. Click on the Create Now button. Next is to choose a domain name. Choose a free subdomain provided by Infinity Free, or use your domain name if you have one. Write any subdomain you want, and here you can choose any domain extension from this box. Then click Check Availability. If it says unavailable to you, then try a different domain. The next step is to provide some additional information for your account. You can write a short description for your account. Your account username is generated automatically. Create a unique password and select email consent. Scroll down and click Create Account. After creating your account, you'll receive access to your hosting control panel. Infinity Free uses a custom control panel similar to cPanel. Click the Open Control Panel. Next, you will get an important notice that you are required to approve. Click on I approve. In the control panel, locate the Softaculous Apps Installer or website section. Click on Softaculous Apps Installer and select WordPress. Click Install and follow the prompts to set up your WordPress site. Choose the protocol and a subdomain. You'll need to enter details such as your site's name, description, and admin credentials. Make sure your password is strong. It should score 100/100ths. Next is the admin email. Enter a valid email and scroll down to choose a language. By default, the language selected is English. When you are satisfied, scroll down and click Install. WordPress is now installed successfully. After installation, you can access your WordPress dashboard by clicking on the Return to WordPress Management button, and under Installations, you will see your website. Click on the Login button to access your WordPress website directly. Alternatively, you can access your WordPress by navigating to http://yourdomain.com/wp-admin or http://your-subdomain.infinityfreeapp.com/wp-admin. Log in using the admin credentials you created during installation. Customize your site by selecting themes, installing plugins, and creating content. And that's it. You now have a WordPress site hosted for free. Keep in mind that free hosting comes with limitations like storage limits and less support. If you need more features, consider upgrading to a paid plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.